Oh, hi. We're going to do a linear regression today. So following this worksheet, what you need to do is go and open up a spreadsheet. So go to Google Docs and click on New and Google Sheet, and there we go. What you want to do is give it a name. Let's call it linear regression, and then make your table. Let's copy the data down from the worksheet into the spreadsheet. So the first one is quantity, that's the first column, and the second column is price. And then you'll just copy all of the quantities and prices into the table. And so here we go. I'm going to do it 1, 2, 3. And actually, I did it before and I just copy and pasted it. So I have that. There's the data. You can see it's rows and rows of data. I have 16 data points. What I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of that and then go over here to the insert menu, and I want to insert a chart. So put that down there, insert chart. It's going to work a little bit, and there it is. Now let me move over, get out of the way, and we need to make a scatter plot. We don't want this line plot, so pull down that menu, and there's all these options, but go down until you see scatter plot. There you are, scatter plot. Click on that, and that chart is a little bit too big. Let me shrink that up a little bit. So here we are, we're going to customize it. We have a scatter plot, a scatter chart, that's good. And if I go to the Customize menu, I want to go to Series and scroll down, and we want the trend line. The trend line is the line of best fit. That's the trend. And so you see right it popped up that line. That's the best fit. And we also want to go and label it. We'll label it with the equation. And then we have access to the equation of that line. And now you can make predictions based on that line of best fit. So thanks for watching. Try it yourself. You do it. Do what I just did, and then answer the questions, making predictions from the data. Okay, bye.